Lisa with Osprey Packs, and we're here today to talk about the Shuttle series. The Shuttle is the perfect bag for hauling all your gear on your next big adventure. We have two sizes in this series. The Shuttle 30 carries 100 liters, and the Shuttle 36 has 130 liter capacity, both with ample space for hauling all your gear. Both sizes in the Shuttle series are loaded with the same great features. Let's talk about some of these features and how they'll help you carry your gear more easily and more efficiently. The foundation of this rolling duffel is an extra-wide 16-inch chassis to stabilize large loads, and an extra-large 4¼ inch set of wheels with sealed bearings to smoothly roll over any terrain. The top zippered pocket allows easy access to liquids and valuables. Our straitjacket compression system secures loads and adds stability to the pack when it's not completely full. It features low profile and padded carry handles on both the top and sides of the duffel. The main compartment features a large zippered panel for easily loading and unloading your bulky items, while the large collapsible lower compartment helps keep your gear organized. For internal organization, the Shuttle features several mesh and fabric pockets. The rear panel of the Shuttle features a magazine pocket with ID card window, as well as a large zippered pocket with a lower drain hole. Bumper rails offer added protection for the Shuttle's frame. The retractable handle with ergo grip makes it easy to roll this duffel, even when it's fully loaded. Lastly, there's an adjustable web loop with side release buckle that can be used to attach a small bag or companion piece, or tucked away when not in use. Whether you're rolling through the airport or down a gravel road in Nepal, the Osprey Shuttle will get you and all of your gear where you want to go. Hey, I'm Lisa, and we are in the Osprey Pack studio today to show you our Ozone series. Here we have our lightest rolling luggage. These are designed to be ultra light without sacrificing strength or durability. The Ozone series comes in 3 volumes. The largest is 75 liters and will be your checked luggage. We have a 42-liter size that will fit most airline requirements for domestic carry-ons. And the 38-liter size will meet most airlines' requirements for international flight carry-ons. Please be sure to check with your airline provider for their exact specifications. Let's take a look at some of the features. All 3 volumes come with Osprey's lightweight and durable high-road chassis, top and side padded handles for comfortable carry, large, quick, and easy-to-access liquids pocket, tuck-away tow strap that lets you pull or attach another bag, dual upper compression straps that keep contents from shifting, easy-to-pack side-opening main compartment, rear panel zippered pocket offers bonus space for dirty or wet clothes, mesh-obscured ID window on the back panel, internal mesh organization pocket, and dual internal compression straps with fabric wings to keep your clothes neat. The 42 and 38-liter sizes also offer an external zip pocket on the front panel that's perfect for stashing magazines or other reading material. Lightweight and durable, the Ozone series is outdoor inspired for your travel lifestyle.